It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.
Evening people, welcome to the On Road Project. Mithun Samitra Charu is welcoming you all to my channel, the On Road Project. So guys, today's day, आज ride नहीं हो पाया. I had some personal work, but I'm doing this GoPro Hero 7's review test today, review video today. Sorry. So I've been using this camera for the past. So as you can see, this is the GoPro Hero 7. That's a white version. That's the basic GoPro. So I'm using this version for the past 4 months now, and using this device for the past 4 months now. And I was very surprised and also a little bit taken aback, and also happy in some ways or the other. So I wanted to share my reviews and some of my opinions about this device. कि कैसे है, how is this camera, whether you should buy it or not buy it, जो भी है, you decide. But then I'm gonna share my honest opinion on how the camera is, and is it really worth the buy? You should take this or no. So this is GoPro Hero 7 White, as you can see. So I've been using this camera for the past 4 months. I took this for 15,500. ये मैंने खरीदा था Amazon से. आज इसकी कीमत है 17,500, जो आप चेक कर सकते हो. I haven't checked the sales price and everything, but this is the price for it. So GoPro के 3 versions हैं. One is the white, which I've got. The second one is silver, जो थोड़ा upgrade है इससे. और the last one is black, जो सबसे topmost thing है. इसका comparison अगर आप देखोगे तो I've already shared. As you can see on the screen, this is the comparison chart of all the GoPros. Starting from white, silver to black. Coming to the bad points or the disadvantages, I will not say bad points, too harsh of a word, but coming to the negatives, or maybe I would say the disadvantages of this device, that it does not have a removable battery. इसमें removable battery है नहीं. So there is no battery insertion. So you'll have to charge it through. It's a Type C charger, and you'll have to charge it through this socket and this hole, and then there's a memory card insert over here. So that's one major disadvantage. So अगर आप travel कर रहे हो, you're going on a long destination or something, so you might face battery issues. या फिर हर एक हॉल पे आपको रुक के you'll have to charge this for 15 minutes and then maybe go on with your journey or something like that. Second thing, I would say that it does not support 4K, but again, in the price what you've got, I really don't expect it to be in 4K. The videos are decent. I would not say it is bad. Third thing which I would say, that the voice command, I don't know, it is in my GoPro or if it's in all GoPro Whites, but the voice command is not that efficient with this device. You have to really use it manually, but it connects fantastically to the GoPro app, so it's not a difficult task to operate it. I think the major drawback for a like a beginner vlogger like me, where I do not want to put in lots of money to my setup, the biggest challenge is the mic setup. Now GoPros are not cheap in general, so और उसके बाद इसका mic setup comes for around 6,000 to 7,000 rupees. So again, investing that much money, आपका GoPro अगर आप 15,000 का भी ये खरीदते हो तो भी another 5,000-6,000 it takes it to 20,000. अगर आप 29,000 का GoPro Black खरीदते हो, so that takes it to around 35,000-36,000. So that's a little bit of a catch here. But again, going with the GoPro standards and everything, it's not a bad thing. So these are the disadvantages, and I would say आप अगर clarity, if you see it on a mobile device, you will see my videos also. If you see it on a mobile device or a tablet, it is okay. But the moment you shift to a bigger screen, this is where the clarity part comes into picture. So that's one thing. It does not have many options of reducing the frame seconds or something like that. So it's a very simple device, no screen, just the cam, and it's a 10 megapixel camera compared to the black is 12 megapixels. So that is this thing. It does not have hyper smooth. It is smooth in their operation. You can see my videos, but it does not have hyper smooth. Coming to the good points, the first of all is the price. This comes for 15,000. I took it for 15,000 rupees. Now it is for 17,000. So in this price, I get a GoPro. That is amazing. I mean, for an initial vlogger, for initial days of your vlogging, where I do not want to put too much money, this is the best camera I would recommend people to take. Yes, it does not have 4K, but then that also compromises on the price part, you know, where you do not want to, you know, your content has to be good, your travel diaries has to be good, so you know this is not bad. ऐसे नहीं कि बहुत pixelated सा video मिलता है आपको. 1080 is also decent, like full HD is also decent. Yes, the age is going to 4K, 5K and 6K, but yeah, it is not bad to start off with. Second thing I would say that ये battery इतना जल्दी नहीं खाता. So like on an average I can easily operate this for 2 hours 15 minutes. मैंने try किया हुआ है. So it went on recording till like straight shot till like around approximately till 2 hours. So that was not bad. So अगर आप और ये charge भी काफ़ी फटाफट होता है तो 2 घंटे का अगर आप you know if you take a halt, you know when you do not record it like from start to end, तो आप halt लेते हो करते हो halt लेते हो करते हो, तो you can you know constantly. मैं ये करता हूँ कि when I am going I record the most of the stuff, and when I'm coming back I do not use my GoPro that much. So you know वो चार्ज होता रहता है, या फिर I know the spots where I have to record, so I stop there and I shoot. So this is how I manage my battery. This can be, you know, you can charge it through, just take a powerful power bank, and so I use this MI ka 10,000 mAh ka battery which charges my devices very fast. So this is what you can use, and I would say I would really recommend this thing for all the beginners who are trying to vlog, who think that boss, you know, I don't want to put much money into my vlogging setup, and you know, I will save. You are saving straight 15,000. So you know, that's good amount of money. You can invest into a good helmet. You can invest into riding gear. So these are the most important things. So you can maybe buy a helmet. You can increase your budget to like 10,000 and buy a good helmet, which is gonna save you from the maximum damage. You can buy good safety gears, and then this comes secondary. So you can obviously use your phones and everything to vlog. So I personally use my Vivo V9 Pro to vlog. So you know, as in you know, time progresses, I'm gonna buy some good products. So the sample you're seeing right now has been shot on the bike in the nights. This is from my Mahabaleshwar trip. So here you can see the clarity is not bad at all. I mean, it is not excellent, but it is not too bad as well. And now what you're seeing is you know, from broad daylight, you know, when I'm cruising around like 80-90 kilometers per hour. So ये तब का video है. So you can see the video is the quality is not that bad. So you can definitely choose this video if you want. If you definitely choose this device if you really want to start with your vlogging. Watching this for the first time, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Let me know if I can review any more items. Let me know if you want to know anything more about how do I vlog, what I've invested in and everything. I'll keep you guys letting know about the same. Also, it's Navratri. Navratri के सबको बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं. Be good, travel good, be safe, and until next time, have a good time. See you. Bye bye.